How to log into Amazon Prime Video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log in on Prime Video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to log in your account on Prime Video, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is open the Amazon Prime Video app and you will see this type of interface over here. Now by default, if you haven't already created an account, you can also do so right using the Prime Video application. Otherwise, what you can do from here is you can simply go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address or your phone number here. So let me also go ahead and then do that right here. So once I've entered that, my email address, tap on continue. After that, it will ask you to enter your password, so make sure to go ahead and enter your password. If you forgot your password, you can tap on the forgot password option to reset it as well, and this way you'll be able to sign into the Prime Video app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.